Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the holder. Connect the stone biophoton handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and cavi handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the power recorder to the socket of the machine. And then press the power switch to start the machine. Press the stone vacuum and cavi function button. Set parameters. Energy range is 0 to 10, 2 to 7 is recommended. Time range is 0 to 60, 15 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum. Suction time and release time ranges are 0 to 2, 0.5 to 1.5, and 0 to 1 are recommended respectively. Constant working mode. The handpiece emits ultrasonic waves constantly after the stop button is pressed. Discontinuous working mode. The handpiece emits ultrasonic waves discontinuously after the stop button is pressed. There is a knob for adjusting suction level on the top of the machine. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. The cavi function of the stone vacuum and cavi handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of cavi function. Apply essential oil or gel evenly to the area before the treatment, because there will be no anode output if the treatment is performed on dry skin. Press button to start the treatment. When suction time is longer than release time and the release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction status. Press the Storm, Vacuum and RF function button. Set parameters. 2 to 7 anode level is recommended. 15 minutes on each area is recommended. 0.5 to 1.5 suction time is recommended. 0 to 1 release time is recommended. Mode selection. Normal mode. The red light is on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed. Pro mode. The red light is on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. There's a knob for adjusting suction level on the top of the machine. Adjust suction level based on individual endurance. Turn it clockwise is to increase suction, and turn it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. The RF function of the Storm, Vacuum and RF handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of RF function. Apply essential oil to the area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. Press button to start the treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Press the Stone, Bio and Photon function button. Set parameters. Time 20 to 30 minutes on each area is recommended. Anode level 2 to 7 is recommended. Anode level 2 to 7 is recommended. When the leftmost bar is chosen, you can adjust the anode level of all the 6 paths of Storm, Bio, Photon simultaneously. When you want to adjust the anode level of a certain path, you just need to choose corresponding bar and then press the buttons on the rightmost side. Bio mode selection. M1. Constantly anode output during the treatment. M2. Discontinuous anode output during the treatment. Photon mode selection. P1. The light is constantly on during the treatment. P2. The light flashes during the treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Wrap the strap with purple lens around the target area. Fix the Bio and Photon pads into the strap. Remove the pads and then untie the strap. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.